Pulse width modulation (PWM) or pulse duration modulation (PDM) is a method of controlling the average power delivered by an electrical signal. The average value of the voltage and current fed to the load is controlled by switching the supply between 0 and 100% at a rate faster than it can take the load to change significantly. The longer the switch is on, the higher the total power supplied to the load. PWM is particularly suited for running inertial loads such as motors, which are not as easily affected by this discrete switching. The term duty cycle describes the portion of on time to the regular interval or period of the time. A lower duty cycle corresponds to lower power because the power is off for most of the time. Duty cycle is expressed in percentage, 100% being fully on. When a signal is on half of the time and off half of the other time, the digital signal has a duty cycle of 50% and resembles a square wave. When the digital signal spends most of the on time, then the off time, it has a duty cycle of more than 50%. When a digital signal spends most of the time in off state, then the on state, it has a duty cycle of less than 50%. In this video, we shall see the setup of PWM signal generated in Infineon XMC4700 Relax Kit. We are using Dev IDE for the implementation and debugging. The application has been combined with UART application to control the duty cycle of the generated signal. In this signal, the PWM signal is initialized to 1 Hz with a duty cycle of 50%. The duty cycle of 1 Hz signal can be changed through UART. The duty cycle can be changed from 0 to 99%. The output PWM signal can be monitored on the oscilloscope. The baud rate for UART communication has been set to 19200. We have configured the pins to establish the communication between XMC4700 Relax Kit and the PC through debug port of XMC00 Relax Kit. We are using HTEM serial port monitor tool on PC to receive and send data to and from XMC4700 Relax Kit. After initialization, XMC4700 Relax Kit sends the message Infineon to the PC. After this, XMC4700 Relax Kit awaits for the user to send data. In this sample code, the receive word length is 2 bytes. The data received from the UART is used to modify the duty cycle of the PWM signal. With every data being sent from the UART port, the duty cycle of the signal being generated changes, and it can be observed on the oscilloscope. As we can see, the UART data is used for changing the duty cycle of the generated signal. Hence, any application that can communicate with XMC4700 Relax Kit through serial communication can be used to develop motor speed control setup. Thank you.